child's first teacher is often their mother because they spend most of their time with her. Hello everyone, this is Nirmala Raturi. Welcome back to the channel Doonelite Academy. It is an amazing experience with the tiny tots of our preschool, and I really love spending time with them. All of them are around 3 years of age. At this age, children are as moldable as wet clay. They can be given any shape. I noticed that their mother tongue is Hindi, which is quite common for someone belonging to the northern side of India. However, nowadays English has become a necessity. So we should encourage our kids to pick up the language as soon as possible. Playgroup kids are very young and some of them might not have clear speech, but they try their best. They are excellent imitators. So, why not provide them with good examples to imitate? Most of the time, children spend with their parents. Therefore, I request all the wonderful parents out there to start speaking in English with their kids. You know, what happens is that most of the parents think that their kids are too young to understand and even their speech might not be so clear. So, what is the need of speaking in English with them? And that they can learn at their school. But, my dear friends, you all are mistaken. Kids spend only 2 to 3 hours at school, but most of their time is spent at home. I agree with all of you that in this age they might not be able to speak properly, but they can learn by listening only. Let's see a wonderful video of RP school kids. Touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your ears. Touch your cheeks. Touch your cheeks. Touch your lips. Touch your lips. Touch your chin. Touch your chin. Touch your shoulders. Touch your shoulders. Move your shoulders up and down. 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 I'm eating. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. I'm sleeping. I'm writing. I'm writing. I'm reading. I'm reading. I'm smiling. I'm laughing. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm running. Stop. Turn around. Hold your waist. Start jumping. Clap for everyone. You must have seen how kids were using their hands to perform actions. All of them were able to understand what I was saying, and some of them were repeating the sentences with me. So at home also, start speaking with them, maybe in a few words like table, chair, spoon, bowl, bag, water bottle, etc. Then start using small sentences like open the door, give it to me, come here, sit down, stand up, etc. In this way, they will start to learn some words and small sentences with their parents at home and some in the school. Now I am going to share my experience with you on how I inculcated the habits of speaking in English in my kids. Whenever there would be a book fair at their school, I used to buy books for them. So many books are available in the market according to the kids' age. When my kids were 3 years old, I purchased some books for them, and I still have those books with me. See, Stars, Seasons, Sunshine. Among all those books, I like this set of books the most. The series is called Bubbles, first story books. There are 12 books in this set. Let me show one of them. Bubbles is lost. See, Bubbles, we are going shopping. Bubbles' mother is saying to Bubbles, and Bubbles is shouting with joy, Yippee! In the market, Bubbles, stay close to me and don't run about. You must have seen there are small sentences with pictures. At that time, my kids were not able to read. So I used to read to them and they enjoyed listening because of the pictures in these books. So, dear parents, if you want your kids to pick up the language from the start, create an environment for them to learn. Initially, they may not be able to speak some words, but we should still speak with them. By listening, they can learn and gradually they will start speaking. So keep trying with them because one who tries never loses. I have shared my insights with you. If you liked my method, you can also adopt the same. If you also follow similar methods, feel free to share in the comment section. I would like to read your comments. Very soon, I will be back with another informative video.